In this video, we will tell you about all 2014 hit and flop movies list. PK was all-time blockbuster with the collection of 340.8 crore rupees. Kick was blockbuster with the collection of 231.85 crore rupees. Bang Bang was hit with the collection of 181.03 crore rupees. Singham was super hit with the collection of 140.6 crore rupees. Happy New Year was super hit with the collection of 202 crore rupees. Ik Villain was super hit with the collection of 105.62 crore rupees. Two States was super hit with the collection of 104.45 crore rupees. Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania was hit with the collection of 76.81 crore rupees. Gunde was semi-hit with the collection of 78.6 crore rupees. Heropanti was hit with the collection of 52.92 crore rupees. Holiday A Soldier Is Never Off Duty was hit with the collection of 112.45 crore rupees. Mardani was semi-hit with the collection of 35.82 crore rupees. Hasi To Phasi was above average with the collection of 35.5 crore rupees. Highway was average with the collection of 27.25 crore rupees. Queen was super hit with the collection of 61.95 crore rupees. Shaadi Ke Side Effects was average with the collection of 34.4 crore rupees. Gulab Gang was flop with the collection of 14.35 crore rupees. Ragni MMS was hit or super hit with the collection of 47 crore rupees. Bewakufiyan was flop with the collection of 13.85 crore rupees. O Teri was flop with the collection of 3.75 crore rupees. Dishkyaun was flop with the collection of 6 crore rupees. Yangistan was flop with the collection of 6.75 crore rupees. Ungli was flop with the collection of 30.12 crore rupees. Filmistan was flop with the collection of 9.99 crore rupees. Creature 3D was flop with the collection of 27.7 crore rupees. Hate Story 2 was above average with the collection of 26.4 crore rupees. Kill Dil was average with the collection of 52.1 crore rupees. Dawat-e-Ishq was flop with the collection of 35.58 crore rupees. Bhootnath Returns was average with the collection of 51.08 crore rupees. Shokins was flop with the collection of 29.9 crore rupees. Haider was above average with the collection of 56.65 crore rupees. Raja Natwarlal was flop with the collection of 39 crore rupees. Mr. Joy B. Carvalho was disaster with the collection of 3.63 crore rupees. Deed Ishqiya was flop with the collection of 27.5 crore rupees. Yariyan was super hit with the collection of 42 crore rupees. Jai Ho was the hit with the collection of 117.2 crore rupees. Purani Jeans was disaster with the collection of 1.1 crore rupees. Kar Le Pyar Kar Le was disaster with the collection of 1.9 crore rupees. Miss Lovely was disaster with the collection of 0.52 crore rupees. Dar Damal was flop with the collection of 2 crore rupees. Main Tera Hero was hit with the collection of 55 crore rupees. Hawa Hawaii was flop with the collection of 6 crore rupees. The Expose was average with the collection of 16 crore rupees. City Lights was flop with the collection of 12 crore rupees. Hum Shakals was disaster with the collection of 35 crore rupees. Bobby Jasus was flop with the collection of 12 crore rupees. Action Jackson was flop with the collection of 57.4 crore rupees. Zid was flop with the collection of 8 crore rupees. Happy Ending was flop with the collection of 16 crore rupees. Super Nani was disaster with the collection of 3 crore rupees. Roar was average with the collection of 20 crore rupees. Sonali cable was disaster with a collection of 1 crore rupees. 21 तोपों की सलामी was flop with a collection of 6 crore rupees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.